How to set up FXS gateway. There are for stuff. FXS gateway, power adapter, RJ45 cable, and analog phone line. Power adapter connect this port. Network cable connect LAN port. Connect your analog phone to this port. Let's connect PC with FXS gateway using a RJ45 cable. Press Win plus R to open the run. Input control to enter. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your Ethernet. Click Properties. Double-click IPv4. Add this network segment. Click on OK. Press Win plus R to open the run. Open the command prompt. Pin this default IP. When we can get the reply, access by browser, input this IP. Both username and password are admin. Enter network page. Local network. Switch network mode to bridge. Configure your local network. Set manage address here. Click Save. Then, we need to restart device. Enter Tools. Device Restart. Click Restart. Now, connect port 1 to your network switch. Open command prompt. Pin the new IP. When we get the reply, access by the new IP address. Network configuration done. Next, I will show you how to configure to make your analog phone work. Enter SIP server page. Input your IP PBX's IP in SIP server. If your IP PBX is our Justina or GBAO, SIP server port is 5060. If your IP PBX is our SINA, SIP server port is 7060. Please note. Enable Use Random Port. Click Save. Then, enter port page. We can configure one by one or batch. Let's configure single port first. Click Add. Input your extension informations. Information in videos only for reference. Click Save. Then, you can check registered status. Enter Status and Statistics page. Port status. It's registered. This means if you call this extension number, the analog phone on port 0 will be ringing. Now, I will show you batch configuration. Click on File Import to download a template first. Open the template. Input port number. IP profile and TEL profile, just input 0. No need to input auto dial. Display name, your need. Auth ID and SIP user, extension number. Password, extension password. Last, delete the first line information. and save the template. Upload this template. We can check port status again. SIP configuration done. Thanks for watching.